In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook leads to HoneyBook using Meta Leads Setup, a dynamic and crucial integration for streamlining your client acquisition process. So let's dive in and make this connection seamless and efficient. First off, you'll want to start by heading over to Zapier, a brilliant tool that acts as a bridge between these two platforms. Once you're on the Zapier dashboard, you'll see an option to create a new Zap. A Zap is essentially an integration that connects your favorite apps and services together to automate workflows. So click on Create Zap, and you'll be guided through setting up this automation step by step. Moving on to the trigger for this app, you'll need to choose Facebook lead ads and select new lead as the event. This means that every time you get a new lead on Facebook, this Zap will be triggered to take action. Now, you must connect your Facebook account to Zapier. This involves selecting the specific Facebook page and ensuring that you've chosen the correct lead form that collects the information you require from potential clients. With your trigger set, it's time to establish the action that follows. For this integration, we are using webhooks by Zapier and specifically selecting the post method. Webhooks allow you to send data directly to another service instantly without any delay, making them a powerful tool for real-time integrations. Now, you need to paste in your HoneyBook contact form link, which can be found in HoneyBook under Tools, then Contact Form, and finally Share Form. This step is crucial as it defines where the data collected from your Facebook leads will be sent. When it comes to the payload type, ensure that you select Form. This will correctly format the data being sent from Facebook to HoneyBook, matching it with the expected fields in HoneyBook. Next, it's important to correctly map the fields between Facebook leads and HoneyBook. This usually includes name, email, phone number, and message. You want to make sure that each of these fields from your Facebook lead ads is matched precisely to the corresponding fields in the HoneyBook contact form. This ensures accurate and complete data transfer, enabling you to easily reach out to your new leads. The final step in this process is to test your Zap to make sure everything is set up correctly. Zapier allows you to send a test lead through to check if the data is correctly captured and sent to HoneyBook. After confirming that your test is successful, go ahead and turn on your Zap. Congratulations, you have now set up a seamless process for automatically sending new leads from Facebook directly to your HoneyBook account. This will help you manage and convert leads more efficiently, saving you time and ensuring that no potential client slips through the cracks. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in optimizing your business processes.